What is up, guys? This is Kevin. He's an absolute legend. You've never been in a car before, right?
I have been in a car before, Francis.
Like in the driving seat,
In
though?
the driving seat,
Yes.
yeah. I've never driven a car, ever.
What I want to do today is just let you loose.
And then I'm gonna get ready, so... Wait, is that down now?
Yep, that's down.
I'm signalling.
Love the mirror checks and blind spot checks. He's slowly letting the clutch out.
Is there someone coming that way?
Nothing, road's clear. Nice steering.
I've never driven a car, all right?
Really? Kevin has been riding motorbikes for
8 years.
8 years.
Yeah.
Mod 1, Mod 2,
Yep.
passed it first time.
In Erith.
I feel like the motorbike test is way harder than the driving test. You have to do the slow speed maneuvers, Mod 1. You have to do like riding on your own because the examiner's not on the back. You have to like balance, you have to ride like turning corners.
Yeah.
I've done a
It's a
CBT.
story.
It's only a course, but I feel like it's so much easier to drive a car than ride a bike.
Morena, morena linda, cuando se mueve todos saben lo que va a pasar.
Smooth use of the gas pedal there.
Okay, now how do I...
Into gear 2, off the gas, clutch down, clutch up, back on the gas.
What?
Sick. Okay, we are going to take the next road on the right before that black car. Can you see it coming?
Before that black car?
Yep.
Where?
Turn right.
Oh, and this road to the right?
Yep. So we're going to do mirrors and signal. Keep the gear how it is. Slow the car down.
What's he doing?
Nice.
Was that to what I...
Sick. That was really good. Really good. You were on the correct side of the road. Fantastic. Driving a car is going to be way easier than riding a bike.
I do like this car as well.
This car's
I like
amazing.
the form factor.
The car's
It's not Fiat 500.
No, thank you. Thank you. Say it again for the people at the back. We're going to turn left. You can see the giveaway line coming up.
Yep.
Nice mirror check.
Just watching your videos, man, that's it.
So if you want, you can stop at the
I'm
giveaway
gonna
line
stop,
to sort
yeah.
yourself out and think about what's coming next. Clutch down.
Oop.
Cool?
Did I stall?
Yes. Same on the bike though. You have to clutch in to stop, right?
Yeah, how do I do this?
So keep your feet where they are.
Yeah.
Cool, chill. We've got all the time in the world. There's no one behind.
Cool.
Switch off,
Switch off.
switch on.
Right, let me go back into neutral.
Cool. So we are on a hill. You can
bit
feel
of
that,
hill.
right?
Yeah.
I'm trying to think when I did the bike thing. On a hill, how would you set off now? Talk me through what you're thinking to do.
I'm going to do this.
Okay.
So I can get off like that. Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
And then I'm going to get to the biting point,
Brilliant.
and then I'm just going to... So I can feel it there.
There it is, yeah. Check right. Oh, it's cool. Back on the brake. Let me talk you through this.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
A nice, easy way to do it. So,
Yeah.
switch off and on.
Cool. So it wasn't all fun and games, hey?
Cool. So we've proved the point. You can't just go from
Can't
bike
just
to
go,
car.
yeah.
There needs to be a little bit of lesson in there.
Yeah.
Signal. Keep the left signal on.
Yep.
And keep your foot on the brake.
Mhm.
2 hands on the wheel.
Yep.
Follow me.
Yep.
Clutch comes up to the biting point,
Mhm.
and then pause. That's step 1.
Like
And
that.
also, if you put your heel into the floor and just use the ball of your foot
Yep.
to control the pedal.
Okay.
So if you want, you can put the clutch down, going to neutral just to adjust your left foot. Clutch down, neutral. Adjust your left foot so you're only using the front of your foot to use it, and dig your heel into the floor so you don't have to like hover over it. That's
Okay,
really
got it.
uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Nice. Back into first. Find the biting point again, and you should be able to hold there for ages if your heel's on the floor. Got it.
Right
Much
there.
more comfortable.
Yeah.
Nice.
So
Tiny
okay.
bit more biting point so we can feel the car trying to tug there.
There.
Perfect. Take your foot off the brake, and when we're at the mouth of the junction, put your foot back on. Don't adjust the clutch.
So I'm taking...
That's it.
That's it?
Cool. Foot all the way off the brake.
Yep.
And then when you're at the mouth, stop, brake. Cool. Nice. So keep your
Pause.
feet where they are.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You just accidentally hit the gas.
Oh, I
That's
did.
cool. Yeah, yeah.
Oops. I was like, why did it do that?
So we're coming back to the biting point.
Yeah.
Great, there. Listen, pause,
Yep,
pause,
yep,
wait,
yep.
pause your feet there.
Mhm.
So what's happening now is the car's trying to move forward.
Oh, someone's, yeah.
Car biting point's a little bit high, just nudge it a millimeter.
Yeah.
Great. When you lift your foot off the brake, the car's going to move forward.
Yeah.
Cool. Look right. Clear. Look left. Clear.
Clear.
Foot off the brake and turn. All the way off the brake. All the way, all the way. Yes. And then the clutch can come up slowly. And then once we're straight, we can go back on the gas.
Ay, mi morena.
Like riding, you've got the clutch because
Yeah.
you're on a manual bike, big bike. What bike has we got?
It's an SFE 650. Pretty big.
650 cc's.
Yeah.
Fast. What we're going to do is also race it.
No way.
A Bath versus.
Really? For real?
A Bath
You've
versus,
been saying that?
Yeah, a Bath versus bike.
Alright.
You're going to win, obviously.
Legal speeds,
because
though,
you can
yeah?
filter. Maybe we can find a track sometime.
Ooh.
Oh, if you're here for that,
That
put
is a good shout.
Put it in the
actually.
comments. Yeah, bike v car, bike via Bath. Okay. But you've got gears,
Yep.
you've got clutch,
On the left hand, yeah.
yeah. It's slightly different because you've got clutch on the pedal, you've got
Yep.
gears on the stick, but you've got steering, you've got everything else. And you know you've been riding for 8 years how
big-
to use the roads.
You're bigging me up way too much, man.
Well,
The pressure.
one question.
Yeah.
Ever crashed?
No.
Let's practice that again. Before the light blue car, stop on the left. Check mirror. Signal. Off the gas. Start sliding into the left. Clutch goes down now. Use the momentum to take you, and then control it with the brake. Oops. Cool.
Ah.
That was
Whoa,
bike.
those brakes.
That was bike. You're trying to get bike close, right?
Yeah.
Kevin, he works for Formula One.
Well, strictly not. No. The V12 Ultimate Racing.
V12 Ultimate Racing.
Yeah, store.
Better than Formula One. Formula One can do that. Definitely can't say that.
Yeah.
Definitely cut that out. Nice. 10 miles an hour is the speed we roughly want to change into seconds. Perfect. Really smooth. At the end of this road, we're going to turn left. Start from, yeah. Nice.
This road is quite narrow.
So what we want to do before we get to the end of a road is, brilliant, change back into first. Use the momentum, keep the clutch down to carry you to the end. Turn a bit more. Can we go or do we need to stop?
Yeah, we can go.
Brilliant. Gently off the clutch. Oh, that was good.
Woo!
That was really smooth. Bloody hell.
Okay, so before we get started,
Yeah.
I wanted to give you a little something,
Oh, thank you, man.
just on behalf of myself and my partner, because we binged watch your videos
Wow, thank you.
like 4 years ago.
When he took a driving test.
Yeah.
Okay, so you
Because
can
we
drive.
was watching the yeah.
Okay, and you can't, and you've never had a go in the car or
Never
anything,
had a
and
go,
even though he
no.
can
Doesn't wanna let me.
supervise you now.
Yeah, I know. You have to tell him that.
Come on.
Yeah.
Sort it out. What's his name?
Juan,
Juan, come on, Juan. Sort it out, man.
sort it out.
You can ride
So we-
bikes, come on.
So we got you a little something.
Thank you, man. I
There you go.
appreciate you so much.
That's for you.
Oh my days. Oh, there's multiple things in
Yeah, I
here.
told you.
What, dude?
It's gonna be like an ASMR kind of like.
Oh, bro, this is sick. Lando. Yes.
Yeah, you like it?
Look at the back. Look at the back.
That's nice.
Yeah, Lando's my fave driver. He's really cool. He drives the best. My favorite cars are McLarens.
Yeah.
Like if I had a dream car, it'd be a McLaren MP4-12C. That's
Yeah,
my dream car.
Yeah, okay, cool. That's very specific, but cool. Insert picture of that here.
Yeah, this
Cool.
one, this car right now, and
Cool.
they're
Important. Keep hydrated.
McLaren. Oh,
Yeah, man.
this is shout out to Eva. She always moans at me about having plastic waste.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh, like these. Yeah.
yeah.
Now
Plastic.
you can keep hydrated.
Now I've got no excuse not to.
representing.
Wow, this is sick. Oh my days. Can we cut the video and I'll fill this up? Oh my God, there's so much, Kevin. Thank you, man.
It's all right.
Dude.
Oh, see, now that looks good.
Does it? Yeah?
Comment down below to see. Let us know if it looks good.
I am so. Oh my God. Ah,
You.
wow. What are the chances that I'm actually wearing a McLaren hoodie and then
That as
Bosch?
well.
Hold tight to see this in future videos. We are going to take the next road on the left.
Okay, so I know it's coming up here.
Yeah,
I'm
great.
gonna start
Signal.
signaling.
Now, keep the second gear, but start braking down to 10 miles an hour. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, off the brake. Turn.
Right, I'm gonna go down this way because this guy. Oh, sorry.
Cool. I'll brake for you just a little bit. So
Yeah, I saw that.
let me show you what I was trying to get you to do there. Come off the pedals, don't press anything.
Yep.
And the car's going to keep you at a comfortable 10 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Just like a bike would do, kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It depends if it's on a hill or something.
Feel how slow this is. This is a great speed to take corners. So if we can get the car down to 10 and then come off the brakes,
Yeah.
we're going to have a nice speed to take corners. Let's
Okay.
speed up now, and we're going to do that on the next one. So we're going to turn left just there.
Okay.
Start a little bit earlier just to help you out.
Okay, so
Nice. We're in second gear, we're going to keep it there. Start slowing down now, down to 10, 16, 15, 14, bit more brakes, 12, 11, off the brake.
yep, and then
Turn in
ooh,
and go. How was that?
that was nice. I
That
like
was nice. Yeah, cool.
Okay.
We're going to take you to some busier roads because this isn't challenging.
Oh no, don't do that, please. Wait.
We're going to do some maneuvers because I'm sure that that's going to be really helpful for your clutch control. If we start doing some slow speed maneuvers like going to a car park and bay parking, we're going to follow Kevin's journey all the way to his driving test. So get in the comments, wish him luck, props, energy. If you've got any test tips, if you've got any tips for Kevin, put them in the comments. From biker to driver
Yeah.
and back again.
And back again.
Is that
Actually, I wanted
on.
to hear from Eva because she said she was writing down. She wrote down like 5.
She did write down tips,
She did
and
say.
we forgot to read them out. So I'm going to get Eva back for sure because Eva's vibes and energy.
Oh, she's
And,
immaculate.
yeah.
Immaculate vibes.
If you want to see what Kevin's talking about, then this next video is for you. Click there and enjoy. Let me know what you think. Peace.